How thick should we make the cistern?
Oh god.
Thinking of
Okay. Are you starting?
Yeah.
Oh.
Snow time.
It's snowing!
Woo! Hey guys. So
We're gonna go in the snow.
okay. So we're gonna just go out in the snow right now. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna film some pretty weird stuff. And this, oh my god! Ah! So I have a fat band-aid because my face is bleeding right here, and I didn't want it to bleed. So, but this is my finger.
Also, don't mind these.
Okay, so
Should we do a transition?
yeah.
Like it.
So here we go. We're gonna be outside.
Yeah.
Is this the right way?
Oh, let's go!
Okay. All right. Good. That's good. Careful. I don't want my phone to fall.
We're about to go.
Sorry guys, but we're gonna go on the trampoline. It's obviously covered in snow. So. Oh god. Sorry guys.
good?
It's all good. Okay, that should be good.
Okay.
Oh, we look so cute.
We're going on the trampoline.
Yep.
I'm scared.
Here we go, guys. Guys, look at us. Here we go. Oh god, so cool. Guys, look at all the snow in the middle. Okay guys, here we go.
My dad's like, you want to get rid of this? I'm like, sure, why not?
Oh, this is exciting to watch, guys. Man. I feel like I'm on a surfboard. Yeah. See, like, this is like your fault. Oh, that's comfy. I feel warm. This makes me so warm. Hi, guys. Oof! It's so cold. I'm surprised my phone hasn't like broke. It's like snowing so much. Oh my god, it's a bird. The bird scared me. Hey guys.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh.
So guys, we're gonna make
A sled.
a sled.
We're gonna make a sled. Out of this Pergo flooring.
I'm ready to get my neck cut. How like bad this looks.
Perfect, we got our one sled. Now for the second one. Hey! Duct tape the sides. Okay, sled we're gonna duct tape right here because this opens.
It's
the postman. Okay, your turn.
Like
And it's called Pego.
Pego brand. Lego my Pego.
Alright, let's... Oh wait, we didn't do the fadeaway thing.
Oh, that right now looks. Well, I'll just cut it out. Nah, it's funny. I'll leave it in. We can start it now, though.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna get back.
Oh.
Hey guys.
Alright, we're here to sled with our piece of...
Let's go. We're just gonna go.
I'm scared.
Afraid, just run and like go with it. Like you have to kind of. we go. You got it. You just need a little more of a push. And you'll go. I'm scared. Okay. We're gonna keep going. Come, Madison, go. Alright, let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Jesus. I didn't get a good one. You are grippy. Come on now.
Just kind of just go. Like.
Wow. You're starting to work more. Sort of. There we go. Oh, there we go. Right here.
Can you?
I kind of started. Oh. Hey. Hey. Look at me. Go. Oh, we got it going! We're going! Hey! Wait a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Got it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Go. Go.
Look at my pants.
Whoa, that came out so easily. Warm up. Oh, yes. Leah's about to do a cartwheel.
Wait. I'm sorry to any of those religious people that I did it incorrectly. I will bless me on that.
Camera. Hey, that's pretty good. She's like not even like in gymnastics or anything. Like she just does that. Does that? I can speak. Oh my. Okay.
All right, now we're gonna play some basketball, and the ball is kind of indented, so we're just gonna roll with it.
I'm gonna make it look like I'm a girly girl.
And my things are messed up from sledding, but
I just like yanked out my cartilage. Owie. Okay.
okay. And the net is frozen with some snow, and there's a gasoline thing right under it. So I don't know where to put this because it might light on fire.
I think this is not.
Whoa. This is a 3. You can't see my 3, but it's a 3-point shot. Get ready.
Wait, oh, the camera was over there. I'm like, over there.
3-point shot right here. Let's go.
Hey! I'll name it the Mad Dog. Mad Dog. Mad Dog. Because I suck at free throws.
Hey.
Ah.
Ready? 3, 2.
Ah. That's right. This is called the overshot. Oh. Because of editing, I can make it look like it went in. Watch. Hey.
This is my overshot.
Hey. All right, this is gonna be dunk shot, but not really a dunk because I can't dunk, but it's gonna be like pretty much a dunk shot. So I'm going in, dribble. There we go. I'm in the air. Ah! Oh, shit. Ah!
Oh!
Still
One
dunk.
more, one more.
Okay. Ah! I should have blocked that. That would have been so funny if I blocked it.
Alright.
We know we can
Go eat, gang. Okay, we found a park where we can sled, but we lost our camera held thing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to video it.
Thanks, cameraman.
Alright, here we go.
Hey. Drag your little foot. Here, actually, let me hold on to you. Actually, I'll push the ball.
Oh god.
Get back on, I can push you a little further.
Ah! No! I did it! Okay. Your turn.
Okay.
You should slip when they come.
I don't want to perfectly fall because I might die. Hey.
To our left.
That would actually hurt.
We're heading to the bigger hill. It's really cold.
I'm really excited because I feel like we have steeper. And we'll like be able to sled down either like standing on it. So yeah,
It's really cold.
yeah.
Eating my head as a dog / wolf. Here's the hill. I don't know if you can see how deep.
This has got way more Leah. It's got way more. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
Oh my god.
That was fun. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I call sledding, boy. Hey! Way more fun than the other one.
Yeah.
Now we had to sled like
I do the bump here.
Yeah,
you
do
do
the
the
bump.
bump.